Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me.
Hey bakers, it's Fazan here and welcome back to my channel Paper Fazan. Today I am sharing this video the recipe how to make chocolate pound cake but without using the creaming method, in which we do creaming of butter and sugar together. So this recipe I have made yesterday is so amazing and so moist, which I am having this with chocolate sauce. You can have this cake as it is or with chai, coffee or whatever you like with. So without any further delay, let's begin with the recipe of this chocolate pound cake without using creaming method. up this chocolate pound cake recipe without using creaming method. So do please give me a thumbs up, big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comment section how did you like this recipe, and also what recipes you want me to make and share with you all in the future. So until next time, have a great and sweet day.